Welcome back to Car Review, your trusted destination for exploring the most exciting machines the world has to offer. Today, we step away from the usual four wheels and take a giant leap into the stars. The future has just been unveiled, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. Introducing the all-new 2025 Starfield Spaceship, a revolutionary craft designed to change the way humanity thinks about space travel forever. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a portal to a new era of exploration. The 2025 Starfield Spaceship comes as the next-generation leap in aerospace engineering, merging breathtaking design, cutting-edge propulsion, and unmatched safety features. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the futuristic silhouette captures your imagination. Sleek aerodynamic curves flow seamlessly into reinforced titanium alloy panels, while the panoramic star dome canopy offers a 360-degree view of the cosmos. This is not just about function, it's about style meeting the stars. Powering this beauty is the groundbreaking quantum fusion drive, capable of reaching near light speeds with unprecedented efficiency. Engineers have integrated a dual-core antimatter reactor, which dramatically reduces fuel consumption while ensuring continuous thrust for interplanetary, and potentially interstellar, travel. The ship's propulsion system also includes adaptive gravity modulation, giving passengers a smooth ride even at extreme velocities. That means no more violent G-force jerks. You could sip coffee while accelerating to Mars in record time. Inside, the cabin is a marvel of